Hello dear students. In the previous module, we have discussed about file management, that is moving, copying and searching for files. Moving ahead with the same chapter, here we will learn few more important things. Before that, a small riddle whose answer I will disclose you by the end. Keep guessing. Here let us learn what are wildcard characters. Wildcard characters are the special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you do not know. Two commonly used wildcard characters in Windows are asterisk and question mark. Earlier I have told you how to search. Same way, if you do not remember the name of the file, how are you going to search the particular file? Let us learn how to use these wildcard characters. First of all, asterisk. Asterisk, when you type it in the search box, when you do not know the name of the file, you will see that I have typed here asterisk .pptx. Giving an extension of .pptx, it will search for all the files having the extension as .pptx. That is, it will search for all the files having the extension of the PowerPoint present in my laptop. Basically, I am working on chapter 2 of class 6, so it is displaying class 6 chapter 2 on the top as the best match. Asterisk is used to replace the string of text in the search term. It may be one or number of characters. Moving further with how to use question mark. Question mark is the wildcard character which will replace a single letter or a symbol. Here in the search box, if you see, I have typed class question mark .pptx. That means I don't know what I have written followed to the word class. So, whatever files present in my laptop as a PowerPoint, because I am given an extension of pptx and starting with the word class are displayed. The best match found was class 8 chapter 2. There were two different files and both are displayed here. Let us move further. File formats. File formats are the standard way for encoding the information in the computer file. It is indicated by the file's extension. File extension contains 3 or 4 letter identifier separated by a period. The file extension which we have used just in the previous slide was .pptx. And then a 3 or 4 letter identifier. It helps us to identify what type of file it is. There are few commonly used file formats. Let us discuss them. For documents, we use .doc or .docx, that is Word file. Spreadsheet or Excel sheets will have .xls or .xlsx as their extensions. Image file will have .gif, .jpg, .png or .tiff, etc. Audio files will have an extension of .mp3, .wav, etc. The PowerPoint presentations will have an extension of .ppt or .pptx. We can also identify the type of the file by the icon. You can see 3 different icons over here, children. What do they indicate? The first one is a Word file, second one is an Excel file, and the third one is a PowerPoint. So, the file formats are important. You need to learn it. How to sort files. Arranging the files in a proper order is known as sorting. Here in Windows, you can sort the files in 4 different ways. That is, by the name, alphabetically arranged by the file name, or by the size, arranging it in descending order of the file size. What it shows, that is, the size of the file which has the maximum will be displayed on the top. Identifying or sorting it by the item type based on what type of file it is. Is it a PowerPoint or a Word file, etc. Identifying it by the date modified. When you sort the files by the date modified, the last modified files will be on the top of your search. Moving further, how to work with multiple applications. I need to work in 2 applications as well. Windows give us the facility to work with it. I am working with my PowerPoint and I needed to open Google. I'll go to my taskbar. You can see the icon of Google over here. If I click on it, Google is going to open up. Now, I need to work on my PowerPoint as well. So, I'll click on the taskbar here wherever the blank area is. Right click. You will see the options show windows side by side. Once you click on it, both my pages are open over here. Moving further, with the question and answers which you need to do in your copy wherever you did your previous questions of lesson number 2. What do you mean by file format? The answer to which is written over here. What do you mean by sorting? Mention the ways in which you can sort file in Windows. You know that sorting is arranging the files in the proper order. And in Windows, we can sort the files by their name, size, item type and the date modified. Thank you, dear children. Do the question answers in your copy. The answer to the riddle is bottle. Thank you. Take care.